Down in, where are we?
Minneapolis, Minnesota.
Oh yeah.
The wheels of Italy.
We're at a car show called The Wheels of Italy, and as you can see here, there are many Ferraris, mostly just Ferraris, but there's also some other ones, like
Lamborghinis, Alfa Romeo.
oh, this is a Maserati. Yeah, this is. I think this is. Wait, is this a Ferrari?
They ever should have left that habit of
Oh, that's an old Maserati.
naming after the wind.
Nice interior. I don't know what this one is. Oh, that's also a Ferrari. Pretty cool. Another Ferrari. As you can see, lots of Ferraris. Another Ferrari.
We're gonna put you right
That's another Maserati that's just pulling up here. Now that, John, holy.
Oh, they unbuttoned this thing. Wow.
See, that's what they open up diagonally. Holy shit.
That's impressive.
Holy crap. Okay, we're rolling again. Another one.
Stastarossa.
There's already another one of those. The same one. Let's go over here. We got a Fiat. Nice. Alfa Romeo. Oh, that's an old Alfa Romeo. Another Alfa Romeo. So many Alfa Romeos. Maserati. What's this one?
Oh, look at that.
It has like the Lamborghini style. This one was Pantora. Nice.
Have you ever seen a Ferrari 288 GTO?
Sorry, I'm not
Another Maserati. So many Ferraris. Alfa Romeo. Ooh, that's a nice one. There's the interior. There's the back. Alfa Romeo. Another Ferrari. Ooh, red velvet interior.
cold and cold, yeah.
Another Alfa Romeo, two Alfa Romeos. This is a Fiat. What's this one? I've never heard of this car until I came here. It's called the Abarth. I just saw this car while I was here. There's another one. And another one. And then here's another. This is a pretty nice Fiat. I didn't know Fiats made cars like these. Thought they only made those like big weird ones like those. And nice Ferrari. Maserati. Another Ferrari. Holy crap. This is another Ferrari, as you can see. And this is a really old Lamborghini. Wow. Wide interior. Cool.
Want to get that big
Ferrari. Another Abarth. What's this one? Is that a Saab? No, that's That's an old Fiat. Here's another Fiat. Let's loop around here.
I never said it was the one I wanted. I never said any of this. Just from putting words in my mouth. I'm going to say that I want
So that's why if you ever see
This is an old.
turn around, stay right there. Get me. Say cheese. Good job.
Nice yellow Ferrari.
Sorry.
I like that one. Another Ferrari. Lots of Ferraris. Another Ferrari. And another Ferrari. I remember a grandma pulled up in this one. I like that. That was cool. Nice velvet interior for this Ferrari. I like the colors. Blue outside, red interior. Pretty nice. Classic yellow Ferrari. Sort of beige-ish interior. Of course, that Ferrari logo. Another Ferrari. This is a cool one. Nice beige interior. Outside. Alfa Romeo. This is another Alfa Romeo. And yes, another Lamborghini. I love those. I love Lamborghinis. Lamborghini is my favorite car. This looks sort of like a Huracan. Not for sure though. I want to keep just starting. Another Ferrari. Wow. Yeah, this is a Maserati. Another Maserati. That's most of down right here. We got a Ferrari, Lamborghini, another Ferrari, another Ferrari, and another Ferrari. And then still, of course, my favorite, the Lamborghini down there. We got a nice Abarth right here. Nice engine.
Next one's nice.
Got a Fiat. Alfa Romeo. That's a lot of motorcycles over there. I'll check out those soon. And all of those. Mostly convertibles over there. Another convertible. Nice. Another Alfa Romeo. That's an Alfa Romeo too. Fiat. That's just your classic Fiat. Alfa Romeo. An old Fiat. Yeah, it's from cars. Another Abarth. Looks sort of like a Fiat. Then we got the BBS. Never heard of this one before.
Like a super high compression, something or other, but I'd rather just sink the money.
Alfa Romeo. We got a spider hood up here. Pretty nice. Another Alfa Romeo. Another. That's a spider. Alpha spider. Another Alfa Romeo. It's a nice Fiat. Alfa Romeo. There's just so much. Holy crap. Wow. That was loud. Another Alfa Romeo. Another Fiat with the engine open. Another Fiat and another Alfa Romeo. We got some nice motorcycles over here. I want one of these when I grow up. I love motorcycles. I don't like that type a ton. That type's pretty good. That type's really pretty. Oh, the Ducatis. I want a Ducati. But I don't want a Ducati. Well, I mean, I would like a Ducati. Ducatis are really good. Augusta, I've never heard of that before. More Ducatis. There's only going to be Italian cars here.
Is this yours?
Yeah. I'm gonna go to work though, so.
Oh, it's for sale, Colin. You should buy it right now and ride it home. I'll take her. Gina would love you. Gina would love you so much if you drove this home.
I want a Suzuki.
Thor, did you see this?
No, I just said, what happened?
Wait, what is Suzuki?
That's Japanese.
Okay. I want a Suzuki motorcycle.
A what?
Suzuki motorcycle.
You probably won't see one in this parking lot.
Yeah, but I still want one.
And come home
I also
like
want a
this,
Ducati, but I want a Suzuki more. That's good. Moto Guzzi. Bimota. Oh, now is this a moped?
It's a Vespa.
Oh.
Little scooter.
Look.
Very popular.
Well-made little thing.
Moto Guzzi's. Another Moto Guzzi, another Moto Guzzi, and another whatever that one was back there. Vespa.
Yep.
They start at about $2,000. They can go up to $7,000 depending on how exotic.
And that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed. I'm probably going to be posting this on YouTube soon. Well, not very soon.
What's the date
But
today?
what?
September 14th, 2018. I think it's the 14th.
Wait, let me check. No, it's the 16th.
Oh, okay.
Well, yeah, September 16th, 2018. Hope you enjoyed. I'll see you all later.